Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Hopefully, y'all are having a great morning as well. Looking at NQ. These are the levels we have for higher time frame. We did just sweep sell side liquidity. ES, on the other hand, is high key looking like a liquidity sweep. As you can see, ES is still respecting our daily equilibrium block back from over here. We did offer the change of state and delivery. It's also respecting its volume imbalance pretty damn strong as well, to the point to where if we are trading longs, we are going to be taking longs on ES over NQ. ES also has relative equal highs. That's literally a magnet to price. It's about 13, 16 points up. 16 points on ES isn't the best, but I mean, it's money to be made. And then looking back here at NQ, NQ is still respecting the daily volume balance. We actually just got the retest of the daily equilibrium block too. Yeah, so even NQ is, or not ES, NQ is also kind of respecting bullish price action based on a daily time frame. So now we need to see a change of state and delivery back bullish. So that would have to be a close pretty much back over this 830 data candle, PPI candle. That would be where, so if we come here to the 40-minute, this is where I shorted PPI because of this. So notice here, you got the bullish equilibrium block. This candle did not respect it. Price then came back, gave you the retrace entry, literally entered exactly at 18,292 and took this down to this volume imbalance. And once we hit the volume imbalance, I got the hell out of that trade. And now we could potentially even take the same exact entry again, depending on how 930 reacts. If we come in and get a rejection off of this range here. So NQ is a lot weaker right now. ES is strong and taking highs. So we'll just have to play out and see which one is actually telling the truth now. Market open in 8 minutes. Yeah, we got a journaling video dropping today at noon. Yeah, on YouTube. Yep. And then also a fair value gap video. I'm gonna try to start doing 2 uploads a week on YouTube. So stay tuned for that. Videos about 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, some of them 15. All right, so looking here at NQ, we currently are very likely we're going to see more of a pullback. Wouldn't be surprised if we pull back to midnight open and then kind of reassess what price wants to do here, whether we hold up this fair value gap paired with the 2-minute equilibrium block, change of state and delivery, and midnight open. We kind of got a lot of confluence here. If buyers are going to step in, very likely it's going to be in this range, and we'll see if we want to come take out these highs. If buyers don't step in, well, we got some lows that we can come back down and potentially test. The very first low would be 18,246, and then from there we want to see if we retest it for our sell side liquidity. But there is some divergence between ES and NQ right now. As you see, ES took the high. We actually just perfectly swept it. NQ, on the other hand, is still struggling. So if we cannot, or buyers do not hold up midnight open here, I will be watching for a short on NQ. All right, somebody in chat said any inputs on GME puts for January 2025. Let's go see GME. All right, so GME, if you caught GME, well, you are very paid. Very, very paid. Wait, there's no way. All-time highs? Wait, how does that make any sense? Yeah, 120. What was it before pre-split? Isn't it like some crazy number? Oh, pre-split was what, divided by 4 or 5? Let me see. Let me see the split. The split was 4-1. 120, 480. I just. All right, I would be careful on taking those puts because yeah, realistically, it does look like we kind of could go test all-time highs. And then from there, very likely the puts are going to work out. It's not to say that the puts aren't going to work out. It's just a matter of fact. Are you willing to sit through something like this, come back down, come back up, and then do you see how long this ride down was? Um, to the point to where this huge retracement from last crazy breakout on GME was nothing more than retracement. As you can see, we didn't even make a lower low yet. All of this was just healthy retracement, and now we're getting an expansion back up for a second leg, looks like. So based on that, yeah, that too. If we do take all-time highs, yeah, we're gonna go see some crazy numbers on GME. So it's a high risk, low reward setup, if you ask me. Now, if we did take all-time highs, maybe you could look at it again, but you are high key fighting the trend, and you're fighting a lot of huge buyers. I will say that much. And if that is true, these are still people in here from the first wave up. So trying to short that is, yeah, that is true. Yeah, so I would be careful on that. Now we go look at AMC. AMC, on the other hand, you could still short because somehow AMC was at $393. Yeah, so AMC you could potentially still short. Funny thing is AMC is back at where the crazy move started 2 years ago or 4 years ago. Shit. Wow. That's crazy. That was 4 years ago. It feels like that was like like a year ago. But yeah, all right. So the crazy AMC move, we're back at that level from 4 years ago. So if we can see the pretty much if we can hold over 12, very likely we're gonna get this push back up to 40, honestly 50, 55s. That's something more worth trading. Does anybody know why this thing is even rocketing like this? Is that like the CEO or something? Are you serious? And then today this happens. Wow. All right. Personally, for me to long anything, I would not be longing in Q. I would need to see the change of state delivery back over this 40-minute equilibrium block. Until that does occur, current trend is still bearish, despite us sweeping liquidity and pushing back up. Market open here in 2 minutes. Eight. No, that is right. Okay. All right. So based on this current price action, how we said we failed to hold up this volume imbalance, likely we see a push down, and now we're starting to get this push. 5249. Would have to be short in NQ, not ES. So you always short the stronger name when you always buy the weaker name. That is crazy, crazy activity, but I respect it. All right, well, we're gonna find out here in the next 30 seconds. Our buyer gonna hold this level, or are we gonna get this projection back down and shoot back down to pretty much this 4-hour sell side here? Oh, it's still a really great trade this morning. Alrighty, currently getting a little push up here. If we close back over the VI, we will get the push up to potentially the morning's high or pre-market data's high. Onto this 1 minute, see what's happening. We just swept liquidity, struggling to get the close over. May offer the change of state and delivery here. Just gotta be patient. Change of state delivery is only occurring on the 1 minute. We are starting to flip the daily back green as well. Let me go take a look at ES. If we are to long anything, we will be longing ES. ES 30-minute candle, no bottom wick. Looks kind of nasty. We'll see. All right, we're getting that strong rejection off the 40-minute equilibrium block retest. It was just too damn slow on the entry. All right, just gonna be patient here. We'll see what this wants to do. This is decent price action to actually scalp, considering we're moving 20 points in a minute. And this 40-minute can easily offer a change of state and delivery, so that's why I'm kind of being hesitant on the upside moves on NQ. All right, this 3 minutes should give us a clean picture. Let me go look at the 15 minutes, see if we got any setup here. All right, 15-minute, it actually has a very clean setup. All right, we just need to wait for this candle to close. If this candle does close bullish as a 15-minute equilibrium block, we will go take out this high from data this morning. This 3 minute would also have to offer the change of state delivery back bullish if we do close over here in the next 10 seconds. Alrighty. All right, so we got the close. We are currently getting a lower time frame change of state and delivery back bullish. Nothing high enough for me to really take an A+ setup off, considering it's only based on a 3 minute. Hey, you're good, man. 15-minute will offer a much cleaner setup, so we're just gonna wait for that. If we do shift back bearish, it's already telling me we're gonna chop until POW. So if we do close back below this 3-minute equilibrium block, we will be chopping. And I will just wait for POW to drop before I take a trade. And it looks like we might just have to yeah. All right, so 1 minute shifted back bearish. We just need to wait for this 3 minute to close here. Kind of ugly price action as we can do a lot of things right now. We could shift down. We could just chop in this range. A couple of different outcomes. Nothing really like a clean setup telling me, hey, we're 100% going right here to this level. So yeah, if you don't 100% know where price is going, don't take a trade. Mm-hmm. Howland 25. All right, so 3 minute buyers are currently supporting up the 3 minute equilibrium block. And this is why you have to wait for the body closes. There's still 24 minutes left in this 5 or 40 minute candle as well. Pretty much when Powell drops, this candle will tell us everything. If we get a close above it, we are going to get this push up to 13,000 or 18,350. If we can't get the close above it, we will get the push back down. So pretty much this candle here in the next 24 minutes is going to tell us everything. I mean, it's possible. Yeah, the range should expand with Powell. And even if we do drop, we know exactly where we're going. So, and if we do rip, we know exactly where we're going too. Yeah, that's true. Price action is currently supporting bullish price action though. At this moment on the lower time frames, we respected a 3 minute equilibrium block. Currently getting the push up. Ideally based on the 3 minute, you just want to see a close over this volume imbalance. If we can't get the close over the volume imbalance, we should get this push up to pretty much 304 here. It's about 15 points from where we currently are. Currently looks like we're about to head there right now. I need either this 40 minute to offer the change of state and delivery back bullish, or this 15 minute closes the bullish equilibrium block. Either or, whichever happens. We could even get the push up, sweep liquidity, and shoot back down. So a couple of different things can occur right now in NQ. ES on the other hand, ES is still holding up pretty damn strong. Let's go look at YM. That's crazy. YM for some reason is chopping right now. Hmm. So YM was the one that took the weekly buy side. Nothing else did. Okay. Yep. ES. ES is kind of telling me to short this thing right now. We're gonna see. If we get the close below this volume imbalance, I will be taking a short based off the 40 minute rejection. That's what I'm saying. See, it was a risk to reward there. Took it to the high. Risk to reward was there. All right, so we did get the 3 minute close over the what is this? The fair value gap from this morning. Now I just want to see this high get taken. And then closes the 15-minute bullish equilibrium block as well. Where's your OT at, man? For anything. Hmm. Oh my God. mRNA. Alrighty. Our baby is pushing again. Let's go. We're up 76% on leaps. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alrighty. Alright. Now we know where price is going. 3 minutes was closed. Just enter on the retest of this 15-minute equilibrium block and look to take this up to 13,000 or 18,305. 350. Whoa. All right, so here's the trade setup. You get the body close here in 2 minutes. You did take AMC puts. You're probably up like 100% already. All right, let me go look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is still holding down. Looks like we are going to get this push up to the gap fill. I really just want to see us make a lower low today. Okay, we're going haywire. Hell no. I need to wait for a pullback to 18,283. And once I get that pullback and this close here in the next minute, I'll take the longs. Pretty much risking the bottom of 915 candle. We'll look at common stocks. See, I need to go look at common stocks on a higher time frame. I need another Tesla trade. All right. Mm, 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 mm. All right, so Tesla came back to 50% of this recent expansion range. Buyers did step in exactly at discount. Now we're getting this push back up. Starting to get the market structure shift again. All right, I do like Tesla. Probably won't take as long as expirations that we have. Uh, realistically, it'll be like 350 or not 315. We're looking at 614s. Basically, June 14th puts or June 14th expiration. All right, let me go look at this. Gap up. I wouldn't, bro. I'm not home enough to really get a puppy. Alrighty, we probably won't get a pullback the way this price action is currently setting up. It's pretty damn aggressive to the upside and pretty healthy all the way up. Mhm. 13 minutes for this clear confirmation that we are shifting back bullish. Really just depends on his Powell speech. If Powell does say the right words, we will get a pullback. And then he's going to say the right words again. That buyer just happened to step in exactly at this range. And then we go take out the highs. So yeah, just got to be patient here. You could take lower time frame setups, but personally, I want a cleaner setup that's going to guarantee that we come up to this buy side liquidity. Lower time frame starting to have a pullback here. By lower time frames mean like the 5-second chart. Eh. Yeah, just gonna be patient here for the next 10 minutes. Pow in a bit. Let me go look if we got anything else on Market Watch. I just want another good one. All right, yeah, we got Pal at 10. I'll be back in 1 second. Alrighty. Oh, we getting this pullback here. Oh, we're getting this pullback. All right, 3 minutes for this close. We absolutely need to see this close over this 40-minute equilibrium block, and actually preferably over this hourly equilibrium block too. If we do get the close over this level, we are 100% getting this expansion up to weekly buy side here on NQ. ES very likely. Let me go look at ES. ES also 15-minute equilibrium block as well. We're actually gonna take the long on ES. ES might not even give it to us, but we'll see. Go look at this. It's only 9 points. That's kind of terrible. 4-point stop loss. What is that? 200-point stop loss or $200 stop loss per contract. All right, so we're actually seeing a lot of divergence here between ES and NQ. NQ actually looks a bit stronger here. Based on the 1 minute, we are starting to get the shift down. We just absolutely need to see this 15-minute hold up. I gotta find like a private chef or some shit in America. Really? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's clean. I mean, that's cheaper than what I spend on food a day, so. What, for the long? Mm. That's a tough close. This is a real tough close. All right, we're gonna try the long. It's not the cleanest or the most A plus setup. The only reason why is we did not get the close on the 40-minute. We actually just swept liquidity from buy side this morning, and no follow through. I don't really like that, but we'll see. The 15-minute, very likely we offer some type of expansion up. Buyer step in. Will it go take out the high that we're looking for? May not, but we will see. Got my long in. What level is this? 83. I kind of gonna be a little greedy on this. Look, what else do we got here in this range? 2 minute. All right, I'm not gonna be greedy on that. I'm putting my entry exactly where our entry needs to be. All right, got a long at 283. This is a bit of a wide stop loss. It is a 20-point stop loss. So if you cannot accept the 20-point stop, do not take the trade. But I do like the risk to reward here. The very least we should do is push back up to the high. And if we push back up to the high from this level, it's a 2.5 risk to reward. We just went tick away from our level. I do like the confluence here on the 2-minute as well. We just need to get wicked in. I mean, I'm not wicked in yet, bro. It came a tick away from wicking me in. Yep. Trying to long 83. And if we get the close over this volume imbalance that we just created, we're not going to get that pullback that we're looking for. It might just take off without us. Oh, the market is doing us dirty right now. I think we still get the pullback. And with it being a 20 tick stop loss, I am just going to go ahead and leave our entry there. And see what buyers want to do. All right, no close over the volume balance. Yeah, we're about to get wicked in here. All right. Still didn't wake us in. Based on that 2-minute, it's probably gonna go a lot lower than our original entry that we want. Let's go see this. All right, and we're in. All right, and we're back green. So far, you're up $200 with 2 contracts. Just need to see a close over this 2-minute volume imbalance now, and we pretty much have confirmation that we're gonna get the hell on out of here. And with the 15-minute currently trying to create a volume balance, if we were to close red, very likely we get the expansion up $400 so far. Just need to see this close here. You're at $500. Just made more than you did at your 9 to 5 in a matter of 2 minutes. Let's get this push. And we're back to break even. 7 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. And with that pushback up, we are 100% going to get the fuck on out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, hold tight. Get ready to get paid. Yep, $600. And that is how you trade. Yep, $800. You could trim if you want. I'm kind of being a little greedy. I'm holding to our high today. You have a band. Absolutely need to see this close over this 2-minute fair value gap. It's still up $800. Mhm. I love that the fact is that we came back down, swept that liquidity, and now we're getting expansion. Yep, a band again. Just need to see this damn close. Alrighty, did we get the close? Kind of. It closed like right at it. It's a little ugly close, but hold tight. So far, getting the retest of the IFBG here. Still up 800 if you wanted to. You could trim one. Personally, I am not trimming anything. I'm holding to high of the day. Only spot I could really see the rejection happening is at 12. If you want, you could trim a contract at 312 here. That's actually where I am going to trim one contract. All right. To go short. Alrighty, get ready to get your TP hit at 312. That's going to be up $600 with one contract, two contracts, 1200. I'm not trimming the full position, and TP1 just hit. Next TP high of the day, and let's get paid, ladies and gentlemen. I love my fucking edge. This shit does not miss. All about patience. And notice where we get the exact rejection. I just hope we don't do the shit. Yesterday we did the same thing and it went all the way back to break even and hit stop loss. Well, for the long and short, uh, little rejection no matter what. Yeah. Hope you're still at 500 bucks here. Last contract. If you want, you can put your stop loss at break even on the last contract. I am going to let this run to really, considering we already took a trim, I'm getting greedy with this. I'm going for this damn 350 PT that I've been aiming for too damn long, and I think today's the day we finally hit it. Yeah. We should. That shit should cool. All right, next PT. Let me put in my sell limit now. Hmm. All right, I got my sell limit at 18,350. 0.5. See why we're rejecting, but pretty much because we formed this bullish equilibrium block right here, very likely buyers hold up this level. We see the expansion back up. So even if you're not in, if you wanted to get in right now, would be the entry, like right now. Uh, but this level absolutely has to hold. Otherwise, we will see the 40-minute equilibrium block rejection and come back down to 4-hour sell side liquidity. So we will see. But no matter what, so far, trade is absolutely risk-free. You physically cannot lose money on this trade. Even if it went all the way down to your stop loss, you still couldn't lose money. A range? Yeah, makes sense. Mm-hmm. All right, this 3 minute absolutely has to hold. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts. Because this, yeah, and I'm about to say 15 minutes starting to shift bearish right now. Um, yeah, we pretty much have to hold this level here. Alrighty, back to break even. Um, Buyers absolutely have to hold this level. No ifs, ands, or buts. Still up $40. I mean, I seen the 3 minute equilibrium block. That's what I had, the 3 minute equilibrium block. That's why I was like, yo, fuck that. I have to trim here. Because easily this projection was very likely to happen, and it happened. And the fact is that, yeah, and the fact is that you're talking about taking a short at that level, and I see the same short opportunity at that level too. That's the main reason why I was like, yeah, I gotta trim one off here. But you are back up $70 on the last contract here. I could easily see this shifting back bearish though. So not really. I could. Mm-hmm. You're back up $250 again. Now this 3 minute has to pretty much invalidate this fair value gap. And that will give us our confirmation that we are going to get the expansion back up. I'm still being greedy no matter what. I'm holding to this 350 range. I could care less about high of the day right now. That's how you feeling? For what? You're back? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got to learn to bench properly, man. You're back up $350. Let's get paid. Just need to see this close over this fair value gap, and we will get the hell on out of here. If we do shift back bullish again, I will add on 2 more contracts here. So far, you're still up $345, 355, 345, 370. Up 400, $455. It literally came all the way back to our entry and gave you a second entry. And that's trading for you. When you trade our equilibrium blocks, you will see that the market does that a lot. This is why you don't move your stop losses up either. Because if you move your stop loss up, guess what? You just got taken out of a winning trade. We're up 490 bucks on the last contract here. We've seen the 3-minute equilibrium block rejection, but because trend is still up on the daily time frame, trend is still kind of supporting bullish price action on the 15-minute time frame as well. That is the main reason why, we're focused more so on longs than actually taking that little short that we knew price was going to get the rejection from. 90-minute. No, I used the 130. Really, bro, the 26-minute time frame. 26-minute time frame. That's the golden time frame. Like the golden. You're up 600 bucks. 700 bucks. Let's go, man. You're having a nice fucking day. First the short, now the long. What more can you ask for? We're about to get fucking stopped out in the video. That's what's about to happen. And you're up $1,000, and we're going to our 350 PT, like we said, ladies and gentlemen. I love this shit. That's crazy. This one contract's literally about to pay us out more than the 2 contracts. All right, high of the day hit. If you want, you could trim this. I got my limit set at 350. I kind of want to add, but this is so gonna mess up my entry. We might not even get a pullback. We'll see. Yeah, this thing's about to skyrocket straight to our weekly. Well, you're still up 1100, 1170. Can we get 1200? Yes, no, maybe so. This is only one contract, by the way. We literally risked what, $200, and we're currently up 1,000. That's a 5-to-1 risk to reward, and it's not even at our PT yet. Oh, it's gonna come, but half of me is telling me to remove my freaking TP right now. It hit. All right, and you're up 1,300. You're up $1,400. I kind of want to be greedy. All right, I'm not trimming yet. We're gonna see how this plays out on the 1-minute time frame. I can see this expanding a little bit more. We are going into this BPR here on a daily time frame. But you're up 1,475 bucks. Can we get 15? Can we get 1,500? Yes, no. Bidder's 15. Struggling. It's moving still, but I just want another little push. One more little greedy push here. All right, we got 15. 15. Okay, 1505. Can we get 16? Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and take my profits here. And we are done, ladies and gentlemen. What a trade. What a trade. Alrighty. We're up 2,000 on that account, 1,600 on this account. What is that? $3,600 on a day. You guys caught it here with us live. I will see you guys later. You guys have a great rest of your day. I'm done. I'm out. See you later. I'm done for the day. Yep. Y'all be careful out here. Like I said, today was gonna be a really fucking easy day, and we got it. And then stay tuned for noon. We are dropping a video at noon on how to journal your trades effectively. Alrighty.